Bakit parang ang tagal ni Lord? Alam mo yung feeling na, Lord, ginawa ko naman lahat, pero bakit parang walang progress? Kung ikaw yan, this message is for you. Sometimes delay doesn't means denial. Minsan hindi pa tayo handa sa blessings na hinihingi natin. And sa business, ganun din. May timing si Lord sa bawat growth season mo. Let me share 3 truths about God's timing sa business mo na makakatulong sa iyo habang naghihintay ka ng breakthrough. Una, preparation. Season is still a blessings. Yung mga panahon na walang benta, walang customer, yan yung time na tinuturuan ka ni Lord ng patience, skills, at character. Pangalawa, faith must come before result. Hindi ka naman makakakita ng progress, pero kung naniniwala ka pa rin, yun ang tunay na success. Pangatlo, God bless your effort, not your excuses. Habang ginagawa mo ang part mo, siya nang bahala sa mga hindi mo kontrolado. Don't trust the process, trust the timing. Kasi kung sa'yo talaga yan, kahit gaano katagal, dadating yan. This is Coach Prime reminding you that God's delay is not God's denial. Keep the faith, keep working. Follow for more tips on how to start, grow, and scale your business online.